Here for qualification match number 35. Right away, a member of the Blue Alliance Robo Jackets very quickly puts up a gear. The Red Alliance has done the same, and on the Red Alliance, we have lots of fuel coming on up from Neutrons in red bumpers. At the end of Autonomous, a huge Red Alliance score. They're almost to 40 kilopascals. It looks like they've got 38. That means the score is 113 for the Red Alliance, now 115 for the Blue Alliance. They just got 40 points for a second rotor up on their airship. Fuel deployed onto the field on behalf of a Blue Alliance robot. Red robots moving all around. Blue Devils in red bumpers looking for some gears from their human players. Nearby, Hybrid Hornets in blue bumpers. They deliver a gear very quickly to the pilots waiting in the airship. 2 more gears needed for the third rotor of the Blue Alliance. With some shots out of our Bostonian team, the Red Alliance will have 40 kilopascals of pressure and a ranking point in qualification match number 35. They also bring their lead to over 170 points with a minute and a half remaining in this match. More fuel deployed onto the field. Neutrons working very, very hard back and forth, emptying the hoppers and bringing fuel back to their boiler. Red Alliance has a lead. Neutron is trying to make it even bigger, but the Blue Alliance turns their third rotor for 40 points. Neutrons more and more fuel. They have increased their amount of pressure up to 59 kilopascals, way more than what they have for that ranking point, but every kilopascal worth another point on the board to lengthen their lead. Their lead now at about 30 points over the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance is narrowing the gap. They have 3 rotors and 40 seconds remaining in the match. Red just picked up their third rotor as well. It looks like Blue's working on their fourth. As the clock winds down, we have 30 seconds remaining in the match. Ropes deployed from the airships. Neutrons, more and more fuel. They're trying to see how much pressure they can get. They're up to almost 80 kilopascals of fuel. That is a ton of pressure, more than we've seen in any match here on Carson so far. 15 seconds remain. Red Alliance still in the lead, but Blue Alliance working to get up off the ground. Morpheus on the Red Alliance is off first, followed by one of their partners. That's 100 points so far, but all 3 blue robots are almost there. We're down to 2, 1, and that is the end of qualification match number 35. Another very exciting match. Tons of fuel scored by the Red Alliance. Let's take a look at that final score after a Red Alliance victory. Red Alliance, they scored 334 points. The Blue Alliance with 305.